At our scale with our massive workloads, it's important that we're able to process documents in a way that's cost-effective. Ramp is a financial services company based in New York City. We serve over 50,000 companies, from family farms to space startups. If we can solve the problem of automating bills, this will save companies time and money. OCR is optical character recognition, and it's the ability to extract text from images and other kinds of media, including PDFs. Before this point in time, OCR was very rudimentary. Some documents could trip it up very easily. Our ability to deliver zero-touch invoices was very low. Smart OCR has to be able to think through whether, based on historical patterns, it makes sense to extract certain fields. It's very different from just being able to naively take whatever's in the document itself and turn it into an extracted field. We want to be able to go from invoice to a submitted bill without the human needing to be involved at all, except just to review the extraction quality. Gemini has been the model that we've gone with for OCR. We've tested all of them, and Gemini just delivers the best extraction possible at a fraction of cost and latency of other model providers. Today, we're very excited to test the new model. We want to see high quality performance on our internal benchmarks. One of the big tests that we've run is a contextual OCR benchmark on 1,000 invoices. So we're testing on a pretty long invoice here. We have a couple of invoices that are in different languages, and we're trying to get a perfect extraction from this. We'll often have invoices that have 600 plus line items. We'll have receipts that are crumpled up. It looks like it's working well so far. Kicked it off. The OCR looks good. I think today we've made a really big step towards 100% automation and a perfect extraction rate. The new Flash model will unlock a lot of the applications that we have here at Ramp and will be our daily driver when using this in production. The cost and latency that it delivers means that we can deploy it at larger scale than any other model, which will save our customers even more time and money.